Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing basics. Mount your phone where you can glance safely, enable GPS and mobile data, and pair to the car if you want audio through speakers. Once done, open Waze and accept location and notification permissions so traffic and alerts work. Type your destination into search, confirm the precise address, and choose an arrival time if you want traffic predictions. This gets Waze ready to calculate a live route that reflects current conditions. Once Waze has options, compare them. The fastest route may be longer distance, while a shorter route can have slow traffic. Pick based on your priority. Tap route options to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries. Make sure the selected profile matches your vehicle. Enable voice directions and lane guidance so you get spoken cues and lane lines before exits. You can preview the turn-by-turn list and ETA. This helps you anticipate complex intersections and plan lane changes in advance. Press go and follow the spoken directions, map arrows, and real-time ETA updates. Waze reroutes automatically if traffic or an incident appears. If you want a different path, tap an alternate route or drag the route to a waypoint. Make small adjustments early to avoid confusion. When you arrive, tap End. If Waze loses your position or shows wrong directions, first toggle location services, restart the app, and verify permissions. That fixes most GPS or routing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.